Let's take a look at the vlookup function. The vlookup function looks up a value in a table and gives us another value in a table. So lots of examples of that could be if we know a student's grade as a percentage, we might want to look up what grade they received, A, B, or C, as a letter grade. In this example, we'll say this is an income tax table. Now, it's not the correct table, but you would use a table similar to this for looking up your tax rate if you're doing your income tax. For different incomes, the tax rate is different. Notice something special about this table, that it is indicating that all incomes from 0 up until 2,000 or 20,000 have the 0% rate. Incomes from 20,000 or above 20,000 up to 40,000 have the 10% rate. So it's not obvious in the way you lay out the table for the vlookup function, but these indicate ranges. The first is from 0 to 20,000, from above 20,000 to 40,000, and finally above from 40,000 to 60,000 in the last cell. So what is my tax rate? Say, for example, my income was $12,000. I could use the vlookup command to go look at this table and tell me what my tax rate is. So here's an example of that. Equals vlookup function. Look at the parameters that are needed in the vlookup function. The lookup value, that first parameter, is what is the value that I want to look up? And that's my income right there. I want to look up C5. Then I'll hit comma. Well, where do I want to look that up? I have to highlight the entire table that's going to be used for the lookup. And then comma. Column index number is what they call it, and it means which column of that table has the answer to my question. And I just have to count over. The first column is income, the second column is tax rate, so 2. It's the second column I'm interested in. Close parentheses, hit enter. Shoot.